Most people never see what we do. We're behind the scenes. Before the first passengers board, before the engines comes to life. But there's a lot of pride to this work, in knowing the aircraft in and out, in keeping people safe, and the aircraft flying, and the customers moving. It's hard work, but it matters. Every flight, every takeoff, every safe landing begins with us. I've been part of this world for 14 years now. Long hours, cold mornings, busy nights, and I wouldn't trade them for anything.